In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage Salesforce-related lists. If you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refine your understanding, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step in detail to ensure you have a smooth experience navigating Salesforce and enhancing your page layouts with related lists. Let's start with logging into your Salesforce account. This is the essential first step since all your changes will be taking place within the Salesforce environment. Ensure you have your login credentials handy and access the platform through your web browser. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice a gear icon. This is where you'll access the Setup menu. Clicking this icon opens up a world of customization and adjustment options that Salesforce offers. Once you're in Setup, it's time to take advantage of the Quick Find search bar. Type in Object Manager and you'll be directed to a list of objects that Salesforce manages for you. Here, select the object you want to work with, whether it's Account, Contact, or another one. You'll find an option labeled Page Layouts. Click this and then choose Edit. This is where you can modify how the page looks and operates for users. Now the exciting part, let's add those related lists. Click and drag the related lists you want onto the layout. For example, you might want to add contact details to an account page. These related lists help to display information from related records right on the main page, making it easier for users to find and manage information without bouncing around different screens. Once you've positioned the related lists where you want them, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the layout editor. Saving locks in your changes and makes them live for anyone accessing that page layout. If you need to make further adjustments, you're in luck. The layout editor allows you to add more related lists, remove ones that aren't necessary, or even reorder them to fit the workflow better. This flexibility ensures that every page can be tailored to the specific needs of your organization. Finally, once you've set up these related lists, end users have the ability to interact directly with them. They can click on options like New, Edit, or View, all within the related list itself. This interaction allows them to manage records effectively, keeping their workflow streamlined and efficient. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and managing Salesforce-related lists. The key to getting the most out of Salesforce is its customizability, and mastering related lists is a big part of that. We hope this guide has empowered you to take full advantage of Salesforce in your day-to-day operations. Thanks for joining, and happy customizing.